Hey sixth graders, your notes this week are a little bit different. So as you can see, there is no text or there are no textbook pages for you to open. So I just want you to watch this video for some helpful directions on what your notes are looking like. So if you have already read through these directions and maybe listened to them, great. But you're going to watch this video and then you're going to hopefully see a little bit better what we're doing. So the first page here says, what is thermal energy? And you see it says click right here. That means that there is something over here to click on. You're going to click on that link and come to this website. When this website loads, you'll see that there's some things happening. So you can move this dot to make this colder, and you'll learn about, or you're going to press on the minus button to make it colder. And then you can press on that hot button to make this hotter. And you're going to read about thermal energy and what all that means. So you're going to kind of play with that clicker, read about this, and then you're going to come back to your digital notebook and you are going to fill in the blanks down here. So you're going to get all of the information for these blanks back on this page. So I would definitely recommend splitting your screen at this point. So I'm going to go ahead and split my screen and I'm going to show you what I would do if this was me. So I would have my screen split here, and now I'm going to open up my second page. I'm going to do the same thing. I have a new link to click on. I have conduction. So you guys, I have one option. I can go here and I can click on conduction, and now I've opened it up here, and I can pull this over and I can move it to this split screen. You're going to watch this video, read here, and then fill in your notes. And then you're going to continue to do the same thing for convection and for radiation. Then on the last page, you are going to do a little bit of exploring. So you get to pick which option you would like to explore. You are going to pick So you're going to pick which one you would like to explore, and then you're going to use this table to record one detail from each of those sections that you learned about. If you have any questions, please come back to the Google meeting or send a message in Schoology, and your teacher would be happy to help you. When you have completed this page, then you are done for today. Then you should stop for today and you can move on to your next pages if you are feeling like you want to be done for today. All right. Happy learning!